Hello everyone, it's me, Vintage Gaudi. Welcome back to another video for my YouTube Advent Calendar. And today I got something unique and special for you. Never seen it before, glad I got it, and maybe you can recognize what it could be, or if you have read it already. It is a typewriter. I managed to get across this typewriter here in Switzerland. It was put online on an online bidding platform, and I was like, I need this immediately because it comes in the original box and it's so unique. I have never seen this thing before, this typewriter, or as we say it in German, Schreibmaschine, so writing machine is the translation for that, but in English I think it's typewriter. That's so far from this amazing thing, and the story how I get this this typewriter with the original package, and it was so cool. I love it. Today I'm showing you this typewriter, of course, but also we are gonna try to write something, and fingers crossed that it works, because I'm not sure if after all those years it still works. But first let me show you the packaging, because this is simply so cute. On top of it we got like the Barbie logo from the 80s, early 90s. So this is the logo from that era. As I mentioned, typewriters, and it says with a 54 character keyboard. So we got like all the letters in here, and as a model we got here this cute Barbie from the early 90s wearing this like butterfly skirt or dress. Cute. I'm not sure where this belongs. Is this actually a doll that came like this, or was this like a fashion pack? Not sure on that, but I think it's cute. It looks cute, some like springtime or something. On the typewriter itself you can also see this is bright pink, purple, love it, with white details like flowers, butterflies, and also the Barbie logo on it. Adorable. Now let me just check if I can see from what year it is. Oh, on the bottom it says, so Barbie is trademark owned by and used under license from Mattel from the year 1994. So this is almost 30 years old, so technically 29 years old at this point when I'm filming it, but almost 30 years old. So after that long time it's possible that it could not work again, but we will find out, we will try it. Over here are, yeah, again here it says these 54 characters. So oh, that's cute. It's almost too big for my camera, but it seems that this packaging came also with own paper. So write to your friends on Barbie paper. That's cute. So far I know there is this paper not included anymore. So originally it's supposed to come with paper, but I prepared another paper that we can write on and try if it works. So Barbie writing paper and labels enclosed. Super cool. Now let me just take this thing out of the box. How does it work? This way. Then we are taking the typewriter out. That's so freaking cool. Adorable. This is our typewriter, and it comes also with some instructions. Let me just check if I can find it. So here are some instructions. Do we get something else in here? No, that's also, as I guessed, the paper, the original Barbie paper, is not included in it anymore. Here is like someone tried something to write on this paper, and here are additions, spare ribbon cassettes are available at your local toy shop, or contact the following. And here's some addresses of that toy shops that were selling this typing machine. So it was in Germany, France, Italy, Belgium, Netherlands, Austria, Great Britain, and Greece. Was this for sure released? Then we got here the Schreibmaschine, writing machine or typewriter, Bedienungsanleitung. Oh my gosh, I need to I need to read all the instructions. So here are the numbers that indicates what each thing is. So number 1 is the Leertaste, that means the space. So you do a space between the letters, the single letters. Then we got here the Umschalttaste, the 2. What is the 2? Right here, that means shift. Practical that it's written in English. So the shift button. Knopf für Wagenfreilauf. What does Wagenfreilauf mean? Here is like a button. Oh. Hey, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this thing. Then we got here's the number 4 is missing. Funny, because we got 3 and 5. So, but where's the 4? 5 is Kassettenantrieb. So the cassette should go in there. Where's the 5? Ah, here. Ah, that moves. Here's a little wheel, and that moves this band, this cassette band. So you can write on, maybe. Then what do we have? Papierhaltebügel. That's just so a typical German word. This thing holds the paper in place. Papierlöser. Ah, here. With this button you can take out the paper or secure it in place. So we'll try it out. Maybe I can get it together. Walzendrehknopf. Yeah. The purple thing that you can turn around. Rücktaste. Wait, where is the 10? Rücktaste. What do you... Ah, that is cool. So with this thingy here, you can move the paper upwards, and then you can write on a new line. So this makes a new line. And then when you do like this, you're starting from the bottom again and write like until you are at the end, and then do basically like this again. Then Zeilenschaltung number 10. Ah, this is the Zeilenschaltung. What was that? Rücktaste. Where's that is the 9. Rücktaste. Actually not sure on that. So yeah. Okay, so here is written how you use it. Then we want to do like we want to write something, okay? That's what we want to do, because otherwise what should we do with this thing? That means we are needing some paper. I found some like rose color paper. Unfortunately, I don't have any pink. So now how do I put this paper in it? Let me just check on the instructions. So here it's written. Do we have here other instructions? Papiereinzug, Papierhaltebügel nach hinten schieben, number 6. Oh my gosh, where is the number 6? I can't see it. Here. Papierhaltebügel nach hinten schieben. What? Actually, do we just want to do try and error? Do we want to do that? I don't want to break it, but I think otherwise... What's happened now? Come on! What's happened now? The box just came out. So, okay, back in. I will put it like in here, and yeah, that works. Or does it work? Does it not work? It works. It does something. Don't want to break these things. So, okay, I had to put this button on, then scroll it until it reaches this translucent paper holder, trying to put it evenly, then, but wait a minute, you're starting writing over here, I think. So that's where we start writing. And now I guess we just go and start. What I noticed from the letterings on this typewriter is that they are all big letters. So you can only write like big, not big, or how is it called? You cannot use, the A is just like it is. So there was like big A's, small A's. I'm not sure how the correct word is for that. So these are only the big letters. You can't put small letters in it. So that's what I just noticed. But otherwise we got numbers from 1 to 9. We do not have a 0, do we? Do we have a 0? No, it does not look like we got 0. But we got like Ä, Ö, Ü, that is often used in German language. We got the Barbie B over here. That's cool. We got plus, minus, and some other things that you use, but 0 I can't see. So for the 0 we'll take the O. That looks like 0-ish to me. So what do we want to write? What do we want? How about hello? So hello space my space name space is space B, like the Barbie B. Barbie. Okay, so far it works. Look at this. Hope you can see it. So I have to press real strong on these buttons and it will spell the name. Hello, my name is Barbie. So it does work. It does really work. That's cool. So surprised on that, and it looks quite good. So at the beginning I was a little bit careful with typing on these letters, so the hello is a little bit faded, but after it comes out really strong. So I need to really press on it so strong, as a typewriter machine usually had to be. That's so cool. Just let me just do another row. So how was it with the row? Was it with this one here? Ah, okay. And then with this one you go again to the top. And then we do a little more rows here and start again writing. What do we want to write? What could we write on here? Hello, my name is Barbie. How what is, where is the Y? Why? Your name, and then we need a question mark. So that means I should use shift. So for the question mark is here from the N. That means I need to use shift and the N, and then I got the question mark. So not sure if you can see it. Wait, we're doing, oh, will you be holding in place? So here you can see the question mark. What is your name? That's cool. So love this typewriting machine. Excellent, really cool. I can tell this makes so much fun. Super adorable thing that I can use. So I will use it again. I will show you what I'm writing, so we can write like a book or a letter to our friends. What I want to try is like all the separate signs. We got like and, the percent, some underline. Just go through all of it, the numbers. Oh, this is so much fun. This is so amazing. Just look at it. So here we got all the like special signs and words and numbers. It all works. It all works. That makes me so happy. I could play with this thing like hours. And with that one you can go back. Ah, that's so cool. And now beginning from the start, like writing something. That's so cool. Honestly, I grew up in the early 90s. So in the year 1991 I was born. I made my apprenticeship like in 2008 at an office, and we still had there at this office the typewriting machine. So for like formal documents we still used that time in 2008 the typewriting machine. Of course, we had computers and everything like that, but we also had some kind of this thing for the official formal documents where we wrote there. So that has changed, like nowadays you do all on computer and so on. But I still remember, and I still had worked with a typewriting machine back then, and that's so cool. I love these typewriting machines, especially this one does work without any technology, external technology. So this don't need any batteries, this don't need any electricity, so this just basically works while typing and putting these letters on the paper. That's so cool. So you are totally independent from electricity, batteries, and so on. So not compared like the computer. Of course, on computers you can write faster, you can do a lot of things much more on these computers. But honestly, sometimes I wish to do like maybe for Christmas to write some letters with from handwriting. I love to handwrite. So that's definitely a thing that I'm doing with Christmas cards that I'm sending to my families. I handwrite them, but I also consider of writing something on this typewriting machine. That's some kind of nostalgic, but it still works. So why you throw away? It still works, and I will not throw away this thing. This is just so amazing. What else can we write? Do we have something to write? Barbie's quote. Barbie's quote is, you can be anything or you can be everything. Let's say you can be anything. So, you can be anything. Love, Barbie. Let me just put it a little bit. So, and this we secure the paper again. So you can be anything, love, Barbie. That's so cute. And with that, I want to ask you, do you have any memories of a typewriting machine? Did you grow up with a typewriting machine? Did you use one for your work, or did you simply were born later and you have no memories about the typewriting machine? Write down in the comment section below, what is your association with a typewriting machine? I'm wondering what your memories are about this thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go and check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button and we'll see us in the next video with Vintage Gaudi. Bye!